episode.
Howdy, 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 ho. Heedy, 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 heedy. Howdy, howdy, howdy.
Let's get started. Make sure you subscribe.
Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I'm currently walking to my truck. It is 3 a.m. in the morning and it's freezing cold. I'm walking up a hill, so this is fun. It's currently day of my weight loss journey. I don't want to be walking at this time in the morning. Oh, you gotta do what you gotta do, eh? I'm already out of breath. I'll see you guys when I see us. Alright, made it to the truck in one piece. That was a mission of a walk, but at least I got a bit of cardio in this morning, eh? You guys have a great morning, and I'll see you when I see ya.
Everything that happens now is happening now.
What happened to then?
Past that.
When?
Just now. We're at now.
Go back to then.
When?
Now.
Now?
Now.
I can't.
Why?
We missed it.
When?
Just now.
Hey. Just finished work, early day today. It's 2 o'clock. Lovely. Let's try and beat all this school traffic that's about to happen. It's a little bit hot, but not as hot as the lava you get from McDonald's. Good to be back in me big girl. You miss me? Yeah, today, nice sunny day, man. I didn't wear my flannel, man. I already took my jumper off today. Spring's coming. Spring is coming. Yo! Yeah, my mic's on. Just checking if my mic's on, guys. Don't worry. Trying to be a bit professional, you know what I mean? So, on today's agenda, I am going to go pick something up that I brought off Marketplace today. I'll show you guys a bit later. I've got some plans. Gonna take some initiative and try and broaden my horizons. You know what I mean? After that, I've got to go to Bargo. Does anyone know where Bargo is? I've got to go out to Bargo. And then I'm going to go check out, apparently, there's in the area next to me, there's like a running track. Like a, like a athletics running track. Like the proper brown, orange ground one with the lines and shit. Gonna take Lay out there and go for a run. Do some laps. Do some exercising. Get some fresh air. Get some sun. And yeah, hopefully Bargo don't take too long, eh? Like, I mean, it shouldn't. But we'll see. We'll see how we go. See what time I'll get back to the area. If it's too dark to go to the track, which I highly doubt, I'll just go in the garage, do some cardio. Do some cardio, man. Do some cardio. I'm doing something today. It's Wednesday. I haven't done nothing for 2 days. Like, yeah, I've had late days, early mornings. But today, yeah, I had early morning, but not a late afternoon, so shouldn't have any excuses. So I got me coffee. And yeah, I'll see you when I see you.
Hey guys, got the fam.
Just picked up the family. Hey Kyla. On the way to Bargo. What am I buying from Bargo? Stay tuned and find out. What's that called? That's so like ew. So we just got home. It's pretty late. It's about 7 o'clock, and I think we went a little bit over. Can you close the iPad, my one? Yeah. Went to go get something from Bargo. Ended up going to a gym and then going to Baby Bunting. This is everything we got today. I'll show you. Alright, so we've done some shopping. We got Lele a new stroller pram thing. That thing, if you know, you know. And for Kyla, you got this little seat thing that goes on there. And then because Lele's still a bit small, I had to get that thing for her. Went to an F45 that's closing down and brought some kettlebells. I got these for a steal. They were cheap as, man. I'm real happy with that. And from Bargo, what you've all been waiting for is this. And now if you know where I'm going with this, you know, you know. Whoa. The Cricut Easy Press 3. Now, I gotta buy a whole bunch of other stuff, but you gotta get what you can for a deal, you know what I mean? This brand new is like 380 bucks. I got it for 100. You can't tell me that that wasn't a good price. Because the Cricut machine itself is gonna be like 500 bucks or something, so I don't know how I'm gonna buy that. But you know, piece by piece, and we'll start something, you know what I mean? You know, anyone knows about the Cricut, hit me up. Let me know the goods and the bads, because I'm thinking about making some stuff, you know what I mean? But yeah, overall, did a pretty good job today. Very happy. Time for dinner, but I'm gonna have a shower first. Look how my baby just sits there. Are you a camera baby too? Hey? Hey the baby! Hey baby! Yum, 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 yum. Look at Alfalfa. And then we got this other teenager over here. Hey! Why on your iPad? Huh?
I
She's only 2, but she acts like a 3-nager. Here we go. It's meant to be pretty simple. Voila!
And then put it down. How does it go down?
Alright, for dinner tonight, I'm having a slow cook chicken curry, but I'm making it into 2 burrito wraps, you know what I mean? Fell asleep out in the lounge room. Just made it back into my bed. I don't know, I must have fell asleep after dinner or some shit. See you tomorrow.